first song, it's going to be Santa Claus is Coming to Town. We will start with the melody first. I'm going to walk you through it, and then I'm going to offer you a few different ways to play this song with left hand. So they're going to be like several levels, and you can stop at any moment if you feel overwhelmed. Go back, try it again. You have access to this video, and it's going to be fun. I can promise you that. So let's take a look at our piano. As we know, here we have C, D, E, around 2 black keys. Here we have F, G, A, and B, same in left hand. And I'm going to first play the main melody. G, E, F, G, G, stay a bit longer, switch to thumb, stay longer on C. Next part. Stay longer on F. Then third finger will go on E, pinky on G, thumb on C, E, third finger on E, second on D, fourth on F, B thumb, and second on C. That's it. You can stop here, go back, and try again. Let me play the entire melody for you. Please break this melody into parts and work on each part separately, and then try to play the entire melody. Next step, let's get to left hand. We can start with as little as one note as accompaniment for right hand, and it's going to be C, down to F with pinky, back to C, down to F again, back to C, skipping one key over to A, D, down to G, and C. Manageable, right? So now let's try and play right and left hand together. Sweet. So if you want to stop at this point, that's totally fine. It already sounds pretty cool. If you want to go further with that, let's try and play it with chords, as chords are very simple in here. How do we play the chord? Something that you played now, which was C, F, it was the root note of the chord that always stays at the bottom. How to play C chord? C chord starts with C note, skipping one key, skipping one more key. Here's your chord. Let me show you like that. C, E, G. So the root note of the chord will always be at the bottom. Then F chord. Find F, skip over G, A, skip over B, C. Here's the chord. Then we go back to C, back down to F. Then to play A chord, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna find A at the bottom, play the few skips, and we're gonna have A, C, E over there. Now move up to D chord. We're playing all these chords on the white keys, down to G, and we're gonna end with C chord. So practice this first before you move to connecting right and left hand. Now let's try and connect it. manageable, right? What I would do, I would work on first part, go back and work just on this part only. Then go to the next part. Oh, and you can play your F chord going down the keyboard or up the keyboard. Both work, or you can alternate it. And then go to the last part. And as you can see in the last part, we have the majority of the chords. Do it again. What a fun song, right? So go back and work on it in parts. And it generally is a good way to work on any piece. So, Merry Christmas!